Introduction to Axon. In 2009, Axon released its first wireless battery-free sensor IC product called Magnus, which created the market for wireless UHF RFID battery-free sensors. Now with the introduction of the company's latest technology, called Opus, a temperature sensor with data logging capabilities, once again has created a new market and solved critical industry needs. The rapidly growing cold chain logistics industry moves many types of products under temperature-controlled conditions, falling into key categories. 1. Pharmaceuticals. 2. Seafood, steaks, fine wines, or any perishable food products. 3. Chemicals. But waste has also grown, with up to 14% of all perishable products being damaged due to failure to control temperatures. So, as the shipper and brand owner of perishable products, how do I know that my shipments are being handled correctly from my dock to my customer? Shippers of perishable products need a tracking solution to know exactly what the temperature was at the product level and have a digital record of the entire journey. Axon's Opus data logging temperature sensor is a low-cost and simple-to-deploy solution with multiple features that is revolutionizing the cold chain logistics industry. Before Axon's Opus temperature sensing data logger can be deployed, it must first be configured using a simple web application. 1. Temperature set point. 2. Next, the logging interval, which is the temperature recording interval. Opus can record up to 4096 data points. 3. Digitally arm Opus. Start immediately or with a time delay, or for manual arming using the onboard finger spot arming button. The Opus sensor label can now be configured by loading this file using any standard RFID reader. There are many advanced user features that can be set if required. Opus includes several data security and encryption features to prevent unauthorized access and guarantee the integrity and authenticity of all stored data. The logger supports all of the standard EPC Gen 2 security features, including passwords for each bank of MTP memory. The logging data is stored in the flash memory and is read-only and can be encrypted using a 128-bit encryption key. Once configured before deployment, it must be activated. Activation can be achieved with an RFID reader, or manually by touching the innovative finger spot on each of the sensor labels. Once activated, data logging of the surrounding temperature begins. Arming and activating also initiates the LED that will blink to indicate that the sensor and logging functions are working correctly. Once Opus has been armed, activated, and attached, logging is automated. The Peel-N stick-style label can be attached to just about any product, from wine or spirit bottles, boxes of seafood and steaks, or life-saving vaccines. Product authenticity and integrity are also critical in many industries. As Opus can be read wirelessly. Items can be sealed in tamper-evident packaging with no need to open the packaging to check temperatures. Pharmaceuticals are one such product where a chain of custody and tamper-evident packaging of perishable vaccines is critical. When perishable cargo is moved from different containers or trucks during transit, it's most vulnerable to exceeding the specified temperature range. These are the situations that the Opus temperature data logger is designed to capture and record. Once the perishable shipment is delivered, the customer needs to know whether their product was handled correctly, and there are two options. First, by checking if the LED on the temperature sensor label is blinking quickly. This quickly and easily indicates whether the temperature set point was exceeded. This capability is perfect for shippers sending products to consumers who won't have access to RFID readers. This feature is very useful for direct-to-customer shipments such as perishable food products. All this household consumer needs to know is whether a set temperature was exceeded or not. They don't need to know what the temperature was or for how long, just that the product should be returned to the shipper for an exchange or refund. For the shipper, they want the full data log history. Opus data logger can be returned and data retrieved with an RFID reader. This data will show when the set temperature was exceeded and hence liability for damages. Where RFID readers are available, immediate data can be accessed. And if all looks good, a shipment can be signed off and accepted, knowing all is well. Opus can be offered as a service by shipping companies. Opus can be pre-configured and attached to a shipping box and distributed to their customers. The customers pack their perishable product together with a cold pack and activate the logging function via the finger spot button. Temperature logging begins and the packing temperature is tracked. This service capability provides a new source of income to shipping companies and also provides a digital data record on the shipment, providing valuable information if temperatures are exceeded. Axon created the industry for wireless passive sensors, and now, with the launch of Opus temperature sensing logger, is revolutionizing the cold chain logistics industry. To learn more about all of Axon's products and get samples of Opus and all other products, please visit Axon's website and click the Contact Us page.